In simple manometers, how to write the pressure head equation, we will see one by one. Here, take the first diagram. So in it is one end is connected to pipe, the next end is open to the atmosphere. Here we are taking the mercury heights from datum line. Datum line starts at the lower level of mercury. This side level of mercury is low, so we are taking this is the datum line. From this we are taking the heights H1, center of the pipe from this level is H1, and the next right side limb height is H2. Up to this mercury will be there. Now we are assuming in all manometers left hand side pressure is equal to, we are taking pressure head, left hand side pressure head is equal to right hand side pressure head. So head means it will give height in meters. If you are taking H1 H2 in meters, okay, it will give height of water. Okay, try to start in the left side first. I am taking this is the A point. I am writing here. The pressure head at A point is left hand side, we are taking HA. Let us assume like that. Now below this bulb, always consider below the bulb positive, above the bulb heights are negative. Assume like that, because in this direction we are taking plus G. If this height will be above this, we will take negative. Okay, below the bulb we are taking positive, means plus. So here water is there because H1 height, because of this height we are taking specific gravity of this is S1. Already I have marked here S1 H1. Okay, so another heights are not there. This U2 is there. For symmetrical section we are not considering the formula, because whatever this side pressure is there, the same pressure this side also. Okay, this will and this will be cancelled. So this is the height in the left hand side is equal to, what is the right side height? H2. So because of that, what is the pressure head? H2 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 H2. Our main aim is we have to find HA, height of water, or pressure head also we can call. H2 H2 minus S1 H1. So this is the height or pressure head in terms of meters. Okay. Now here take the next diagram. In it, if you are observing, here right side is more height. If you are taking here, left side is less height of the mercury. Okay. So first, for this type of diagram, first draw the datum line Z and Z. I have not marked H1 H2 like that. Just try to do here, wherever it is lower, just do one datum line which is passing through this lower level, Z and Z. Now give the heights. Let us take this is H1. Okay, and the next height is H2. Okay, two heights are there, height of whatever liquid is there, that height, and then mercury height. Okay, let us take the specific gravity S1, and this is H2. Okay, so there is no height in the right hand side. In it also we have to assume the pressure equation, left hand side pressure head is equal to right hand side pressure head. Just do one line here, left hand side pressure head is equal to RHS pressure head. Now take this bulb is connected at the center of the pipe A. Okay, now we need to find HA value. So left hand side I am taking pressure head at A point is HA, and what is the next height? H1. H1 S1 plus will come, because these two heights are below this bulb. Below means we are taking positive, plus H1 S1, and H2 also below this one, H2 H2 plus H2 H2 is equal to, there is no height of the mercury in the right hand side, so it is 0. Now we have to find HA. We will get minus of the entire term, H1 S1 plus H2 H2. So it is minus will give means it is the vacuum pressure. Always remember, if the lower limb is in the right hand side compared to this height, okay, it has the minimum height, so at that time we will get the vacuum pressure. So minus will indicate the vacuum pressure. If right hand side, if we are getting more height means we will get positive value. If this side is lower level, so we will get minus, it indicates the vacuum pressure.